putting all their things together now. Well, that was normal before they did this?
The train comes from the right side.
I got a hook in my back. Okay. Better now. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'll be pushing it back against you when I see that train coming.
Yeah, well, you're lying on the...
I got an awning in my head.
Yeah, watch your neck.
I think we're behind that pole right there.
We're going to be like this.
Yeah, we're going to be like this.
I can't go anywhere.
Yeah, well,
I'm
You're probably lucky you're back
if
there.
all else fails, you can fall backwards onto that
My
thing.
legs are on that table.
Yeah, we're here. You born.
It's cool. Can you see some?
My wife over there somewhere? She okay? She behind the red line?
Yes, behind the red line. Behind the green door. Red line, sorry.
Oh, yeah, they know.
Take all the tables up off the tracks. Here it comes.
Here it comes.
Hurry up. Okay,
He's got an Henry VIII IM horn.
What are they doing?
They're taking pictures of it and then they're going to jump back.
Coming as it's coming. It comes slow, much slower than the train, street train.
Yeah, train in
Much-
Vietnam train. That was exhilarating when it
Yeah,
came
no,
by.
this is very slow.
Oh, there it is.
Red line.
It's not the red one.
Hold your belly in. You see how it goes over? See it goes over some stuff? Okay. Hold your belly in.
You caught out a train.
Oh, it stopped.
Nice.
Nobody can get off.
Hop on. Ride to the corner. You want to walk?
Jay, stick your head out.
Yeah. Especially after the story of the guy hitting his head.
That's perfect.
Hi there.
Watch him grab your phone. Watch him grab your phone.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Seriously, make sure they don't grab your phone.
You're always so skeptics. Nobody's gonna grab your phone. Oh no! Hi. See, the natives are friendly.
That was an extra long train.
Keep breathing.
Someone grabbed his phone and I'd be right on that train.
Put your phone.
Dog got out.
And then everything comes back down. Look how everything's coming back down. Look down there. Look.
And everything comes back out on the track.
Back to business. Business as usual.